Yarn Q.
Lesson 15. Earthquake. Summary. What causes earthquakes? What do they feel like? What are tsunamis and why do they happen? Can you answer these questions now? We have learnt many things about earthquakes and tsunamis so far. Let's review. First, we learnt about why earthquakes happen and the different levels of them. After that, we discovered many devastating effects of earthquakes, such as landslides and city destruction. There are many ways we can help to minimize the effects of earthquakes, to help people and to protect ourselves as well. Don't forget about the tsunami and 3 destructive earthquakes in USA, Chile and Japan. Finally, making predictions about when an earthquake will happen can also help people a lot. As earthquakes are dangerous, you should know as well what to do during an earthquake and try to stay calm. Let's go through some of the interesting words and definitions from this topic one more time. Plate. A big piece of moving rock. Plates make up the Earth's surface. Faults. Cracks in the rock along plate edges where earthquakes happen. Landslide. When big sections of soil and rocks slip downhill. Emergency camp. A place where people can stay if their homes are destroyed. Tsunami. Massive waves formed when there is an earthquake at sea. Warning system. A system to detect tsunamis so people can get to safety. Earthquake drill. A rehearsal of what to do during and after an earthquake. Quick quiz. Can you tell your family and friends about how and why there are earthquakes, and can you explain the drills for them? Now, let's sing our song today.
Bang, bang, thump, thump. What is that? Earthquake. Bang, bang, thump, thump. It's an earthquake. Shaking, 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 shaking. The ground is shaking, the ground is shaking. It's an earthquake. Please stay calm. Teacher says crouch down and cover your heads. Hold on to something, everyone. Remember this during an earthquake. Stay in a safe place. Keep calm until the shaking stops. Until the shaking stops. Shaking, 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 shaking. The ground is shaking, the ground is shaking. It's an earthquake. Please stay calm. Teacher says everyone, please stay away from all windows and bookcases. Shaking, shaking. The ground is shaking. It's an earthquake. Please stay calm. Teacher says don't push others. Stay in a line. All together, let's go now. Remember this during an earthquake. Stay in a safe place. Keep calm until the shaking stops. Until the shaking stops. When an earthquake comes, I can protect myself.
That is the end of lesson 15, summary, and the end of our 3rd topic, earthquake. Remember to review all the words and the songs. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about what you've learnt about earthquakes. See you in the next topic. Goodbye.